Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to hide text from video in Canva. First, click on Elements on the left side. Then on the search bar, search for Blur. Under the Graphics tab, look for a template which is free to use. For example, like this. Then adjust the blur on the text you want to hide. For example, like this. And you can now successfully hide your text from video in Canva. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.